Hey guys, what's up and welcome. I am Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from South Africa. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and graphic design. Okay, in this tutorial, we are going to create a user interface for a music player application. So before we do that, let's see how can we get Font Awesome into Figma. Obviously there are many ways to do this. This is my own way that I think it works for me. I tried installing a plugin here on Figma with the name Font Awesome, but it had some limitation. It had few fonts and it didn't give me what I want to do. So what I did, I went to the Font Awesome website here. So I downloaded this is where I am, fontawesome.com/download, and then I downloaded a free web version, and I also downloaded a free for desktop. And then as you can see, this is the first one and this is the second one. So I extracted both folders. Let's just go back here, download. I extracted both folders. As you can see, this is the first one and this is the second one. So if you get in here, you will see under SVG, let's just click any of these folders. Here are all the icon, the Font Awesome icon. So we are going to use this folder to drag and drop the Font Awesome icons to our project. Okay, so first of all, this is how you download it. And remember, I said this is how I choose to do it. Maybe if you've got an easier way or different way, then you can do it that way. Okay, the next thing to do, I noticed when you look at the SVG in your Windows computer, I'm not sure about Mac, you won't see this icon as you see them now. You'll only see this graphic icon or an Internet Explorer icon. So you won't be able to view, because viewing them for me is important so that I can see the icon that I want. Then I can drag and drop it to Figma. So in order for you to do that, obviously, as you can see, I have tried a lot of setup in trying to get a Windows icon viewer until I landed here in this page, and this is what I have downloaded. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to copy this link so that I cannot forget. I'm going to paste it here on Figma so that when I'm done with this video, I know that I have to put this link on the description, so that if you want an icon viewer, you can just click this link and where is it now? Okay, I want to put it outside, yeah, so that you can just click this link and then you will download. Here is the setup. So you just install it and then it will install. After that, you will see your icons here. So that's about it for this video. I don't want it to be long unnecessarily. So what we've just did, we've just downloaded Font Awesome folders, I can say, both for desktop and web version. The reason why I've downloaded both, I was not sure which one it's going to work. So basically what we're gonna do here, let's say we want a certain file. We will just browse here if we don't know the name. Let's say this is the icon that we want. Then we will drag and drop it. Let me just try to show you. We will drag and drop it on Figma, and as you can see that it preserves the name for it. Then when we go to the website, let's say we are on HTML, then we can just use this name to refer to this icon. Obviously by then we will be including Font Awesome, like as in the CDN and online link. So here we've just downloaded the folders just for easy drag and drop. And that's about it for this video. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msingati, please check my YouTube channel and see some cool stuff here. I've got playlist on graphic design, PHP, CSS, and jQuery. Otherwise, for now, if you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor and subscribe. See you on the next one.